Well, good day, Neil Richmond here with you with another great marketing tip for you today. I don't know if any of you have ever built stuff out of wood. Some of you are probably into that big time. Some of you are like, let's just go to IKEA and buy it already made. But if you've built stuff, which I've built a number of different things in the past, one of the most frustrating things you can do is fail to measure whatever it is you're cutting properly, so when you cut that piece of wood, it's the wrong size. You can fix it if it's too long, but if you cut it too short, you're in big trouble. I've done it often. I hate it. I've had to go back to the store and buy more wood because I ran out because of it. And I'd hate for that to happen in your business because, you see, when it comes to marketing, we have to measure twice, so we only need to cut once. We've got to be looking at the metrics, the things that drive the business forward to determine where we are and where things are headed. Here are some things you should be looking at to measure in your business that are so vital to moving your business forward. Number one would be engagement levels. When you put stuff out on social media and on your website, are people actually connecting with it? Are you seeing people comment, share, and all of that? So a new metric that I'm actually using with clients is your share score. What is the average of your top 10 shared posts, the number of shares that it gets? That should be improving because that shows you're making impact out there, and that's a measurement that you can monitor. Another great one to be measuring and monitoring is your website traffic. Now, I know some of you are like, well, I don't have a web-based business. Well, that's a whole nother topic that we'll get to in a future week. But for today, you should know exactly what your website traffic for the last 30 days has been and continue to monitor that. Because you see, the goal for that is you want it to go up. It shows that people are engaging with who you are as a company. Obviously, the most obvious metric to be measuring is revenue. Where is revenue at? Is it going up? Is it staying level? Is it going down? Those are just a couple of the things, and you can maybe come up with other things as well that are important, sales numbers versus revenue in a general sense, and sources of different pieces. And like I look at sources of social media traffic. Who's sending, or sources from social media traffic? Who's sending the most traffic to my website? So there's lots of different things you should be measuring out there. The key thing is that you are measuring, so you can make an educated decision as to what you need to do next and what you need to remove from the equation.